Romain Blake, beautiful performance from this season. Honestly, I was really impressed, and you seem to get better every game you play for Waterhouse Football Club. How you seen doing so far?
I think I'm having a good season so far. I've adapted well to the environment, and yeah, I'm just having a good season.
You're playing with the likes of Dins and Hole and these guys. How important and what role do these guys play with you really improving the game?
Yeah, as a younger player, the senior players, they stepped up really well, and they encouraged me and stuff, and yeah.
Going up against Mount Pleasant this season, you guys went down to 10 players, and you were going up against a very formidable force in Trevante Stewart, and you really dealt with them well. How difficult was it for you, and what level of concentration were you have to put yourself in?
I think the team itself, we showed character, going down 10 man, and we stick through. Went down 10 man in the first half, and we have to stick through and hold through and pull through, so yeah.
You going up against Trevante Stewart, how difficult was that for you?
Well, I think there's been some rumor going around, shot centre back, but I think it's more mental. Football is more mental, and it showed today. Yeah.
Definitely. So, what's next for you, Romain Blake, in this Waterhouse team?
I think from now we're in the top 6, and that's the main goal. We have to push on and try to improve game by game each day.
Yeah, and you are one of the most standout players in recently completed schoolboy football season. What's the difference between schoolboy football versus what you're seeing right here now?
Well, I think now it's more physical. It's faster, and you have to just try and adapt as quick as possible.
And certainly you're adapting well. And wonderful game again, man of the match, I would say. Tremendous game, and hope to see you next game. Same performance, right?
All right, thanks.